Hey there, my name is Kelly Dale with Off the Beaded Path, and this is your Must Know Monday for Monday, March 23rd, 2020. Today, I want to show you my new mystery box that I got from Jesse James Beads. I've taken a little sneak peek at it, and it's a really, really good box this month, so I wanted you guys to see it. Okay, so this is the Magical Mystery Bead Box from jessejamesbeads.com. They do have a subscription service for these boxes. You can get them a monthly, a 3-month, a 6-month, or a year subscription for the box. So each month is a surprise. You do not know what you're going to get. It always comes with a little information packet here. So it says, "Farewell Tucson." And you flip it over and it says what's inside. I normally don't look at this because I honestly don't want to know before I open my box, so I normally don't even look at this before I get started. So that gives you a quick look at what's inside, but the box just looks like so much fun. So let's see what's in the box here. We have some leather cording, different types of leather cording, and some clasps and ends for the leather here. Looks like there's a couple toggles in the packet along with, like I said, the clasp, and there's 3 different pieces of leather. Let's see. Okay, there is a container full of mixed beads here. Mixed beads and findings. Oh, there's some little roses on those hearts. Okay, so a fun little mixture there in a container. Let's see what else we got here. Set those to the side. Okay, next up, it looks like it says a mini mix of metals. And this has, let me just open it and I'll pour it out and we'll show you. Okay, it looks like I've got 2 beads, 2 little cactus charms, and some leaf charms there in that mixture. Oh my gosh, how cute are these little mini tassels? Oh my heavens. So my little pack here has some little bitty baby tassels and some other little, almost I would call them little flower tassels. Those are fun. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 different little tassel pieces there. What else is in the box here? Alright, here's some bigger charms. Okay, some little like fuzzy pom-pom beads, metallic disco ball beads, and then some beautiful little flower charms. Oh my gosh, those are so fun. What else we got here? Okay, we got a turquoise mini mix, again, Jesse James Beads. So I've got turquoise that's top drilled here. I've got some little spacers and some little turquoise nuggets. Okay, chain for beading, chain reaction. Okay, so it looks like, let's see what this is here. Nice. Okay, so it's actual chain that has a little ring here that you can take it apart and you can make something out of it and add beads to it and such. So that's kind of cool. Looks like I have 2 packages of that chain. Okay, here is a strand, an artisan strand of beads. Another fun strand of beads. This has some pretty turquoise and like light gold or rose gold accents on it. Ooh, massive feathers. Get these bad boys out. Yeah, there is some massive feather pieces here, and it looks like we get 2 of those in the pack. And howdy partner, what's this? A rustic charm from Lipstick Ranch, and then it gives the info here for the Lipstick Ranch. And let's take a look at the charm. Oh, it's a really pretty copper sunflower. Look how pretty that is. A daisy or a little sunflower. Okay, and let's see. So it's got the mystery bead box and a coupon code there for a free bead mix at jessiejamesbeads.com. So that is everything that is in the mystery bead box for the month of March 2020. So I hope you guys enjoyed getting to see the Jessie James mystery bead box. And I believe I said in the video that this was the March box, and it's actually the February 2020 box, which was, again, the Farewell Tucson box. You can find more information about the Jessie James mystery bead box at jessiejamesbeads.com, and it's Jessie, Jesse. So I hope you guys, again, enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again next time. Have a great one. Bye.